So how do you get more sales with your affiliate program? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 simple things you could do right now if you really want to amplify your results. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and we're going to jump right into the content. All right, so right now we're looking at one of my Facebook posts, and in that Facebook post, I give you the keys to actually get more sales with any affiliate program that you're promoting. And guess what? It doesn't matter which platform you're on. If you follow this, it will amplify your results, all right? So boom, I structure my headline to pull in the right people to this specific post. Now, the next thing I go to talk about is I talk about how they should actually be creating content. They shouldn't just be creating content for the sake of creating content. They should be creating content based around whatever the main transformation is for that specific product, whether it's, a product that they're selling for somebody else or it's their own product as well, right? This works either way. Right here, I go to talk about the core pillars. So what are the core pillars? Earlier, I talked about the transformation, right? They want to create content based around that. Well, in order for them to do that, they have to unpack the main transformation. And to make it clear for you, core pillar number 1 will be offer creation. Core pillar number 2 is messaging. Core pillar number 3 is traffic generation, and core pillar number 4 will be lead generation. Now that may not, necessarily be specific to you. Your product may have different core pillars, but it's up to you to identify, okay, what is the main transformation of the product, and then unpack that and start to look at those pillars. Now that's step number 1. You unpacked it. Now you know what are the main ingredients of the main product. So now what you do is you move to step number 2, is you start to create content that's specific to those 4 ingredients. And what do I mean? First, we talked about offer creation. So obviously we got our O. The next thing, what was the next thing that we talked about? We talked about messaging, right? So I'll go ahead and I'll put an M right here. And then we also talked about traffic, right? So I'll put a T here. And we also talked about lead generation. So these are the 4 ingredients that we have right here that we need to create content on so that we pull the right type of people in. What are some things that you could talk about that are based around offer creation? Obviously, like I said, you may have different things, but I just want to make this clear. So boom, I would talk about everything in relation to offer creation. Then the next category, everything in relation to messaging, like how to identify the right target audience, right? And then I would talk about traffic over here. And then over here, I would talk about everything in relation to lead generation. Why is that important? Well, now that we hitting on every ingredient, each and every time that we create a piece of content and we get to a point to where we can give a call to action, it will be relevant to that specific offer, right? Now I'm gonna show you an example of how you can actually start finding topics that you can actually create based around these specific ingredients. Now, boom, we got our main thing. So now we need to go ahead and find out what people care about in relation to those specific things. So now I'm gonna show you exactly how I would go about doing it. So the first one was offer creation. So what I would do is I would type how to create an offer and then we'll hit enter. All right, so right now it says 1100 searches for how to create an offer. Now over here, we got our related keywords, but what I would do right off the bat is I would go ahead and I would hit related keywords to pull up even more. So right here, how to create an irresistible offer gets 1700 searches per month. So I would create a video in that, okay, well, how do you actually go about creating it, right? So I can pull in the right type of people. Then I would keep going through here and I would find other things that are related to that, right? So look at this, irresistible offer examples. So you may put together a video that shows different examples based around offers that they can create as well. And then you just keep pulling in the right type of people. Now the next one, right? The next one was, one of the other ones was how to get traffic, right? And I would go here and then I will go straight to matching terms and then boom, how to get traffic from Tumblr, how to get traffic from Instagram, how to get traffic to your website. Now for you, you will want to make it related to whatever it is, right? Obviously yours may not be how to get traffic, but you will want to make it related to that specific thing, all right? And then another one was messaging, right? So I might have to put like messaging and marketing, so that way it shows relation, and then see how many searches it gets. So as we can see right here, messaging and marketing gets 1,000 searches per month, and then we would do the exact same thing for each and every ingredient. And once you do this, now you got a lot more people coming in that are targeted. And so when you do make that call to action and say, hey, click the first link down below in the description if you want to go deeper on lead generation or traffic generation, or if you want to go deeper on intermittent minute fasting, or whatever it is that you're promoting, all right? So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn my #1 recommended way to drive an unlimited amount of traffic to any offer that I promote, go ahead and click the first link down below in the description box. That's going to take you through my 6-part video training series that shows you exactly how I'm able to do that. See you in the next video.